Hi everyone, it's Anne Marie. So I have a Graphic 45 DeStash offer. This is the paper collection from Graphic 45 called Enchanted Forest. This came out, I don't know, this might be a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years. But this is just gorgeous. Yeah, I never opened it. This is the 12 by 12 pattern paper. So there's 3 sheets of all 8 12 by 12. So there are 24, right? Yeah, 8 times 3. There are 24 sheets in here. It gives you a quick glance. Really, really pretty paper. So you have the 12 by 12. Then you also have the, I can actually show you, this is the 8 by 8. It's just a scaled down version of this 12 by 12. So I do have this one open, and I'm sorry, let me move my light. I did tear the cover. Sorry. So you can see some of the pages. Again, there are 3. That's one of my favorite pages. There are 3 of each page, I believe. Oh, love that green. And then there are some of the little journaling cards. And then a few more pages. So that's the 8 by 8. Then there is also the 6 by 6 patterns and solids. Oh, that is open. I think all the pages are in here. I don't recall using this. So, and then we have the tags and pockets. You can see it's an unopened package. Then there are the, actually, chipboards 1. All the different chipboards. And then chipboards 2. There's the back. And then they also have the package of journaling and ephemera cards. There's some 4x6 and 3x4. Again, I don't believe this package was ever opened. So I do recall buying, because this is my second DeStash of this paper collection, I do recall buying this paper collection. And then I remember I went to a retreat where one of the projects we worked on had this complete collection also. So I had 2 or 3 actually bundles of this. So anyway, so this I'm going to offer to U.S. customers only. I apologize, the shipping to other countries is just way too crazy expensive, and yeah. So even just Canada, from here in the U.S., shipping to Canada can be really expensive. So this is pretty much the complete collection, I believe. So I will offer this for $45. That includes U.S. shipping. So how you can get this is the first person to leave me a comment in the comments down below. And you must include your name, obviously, letting me know that you're interested, and your email address. I need your email address so that I can send you a PayPal invoice. If you just leave me a comment and it says, I want it, then I have no way of getting back in touch with you, so I need your address. If you don't include your email address, I'll have to unfortunately skip your name and go to the next one. So please remember to include your email address. And today, by the way, is Saturday, May 26th. And gosh, it's 8:49 in the evening. And it is a holiday weekend. It's Memorial Day here in the U.S. So post offices are not open on Monday, I believe. So the earliest I'll be able to ship this is Tuesday. So again, for the first person to leave me their name and their email address. Once everything clears through PayPal, I will make sure to ship this to you on Tuesday. And also, your email is important as well, because I will need to email you and get your address that you want me to ship this to. So hope that all makes sense. So again, for the first person to leave me a comment, this little collection is yours. So thanks for watching. Bye.